doing a baby cat shower, kitty shower.
It's so small. Hi, baby. Like,
Oh my god! I can't believe she did it. Like, it's so crazy. That's so amazing. Hey babes, what's fun? I'm super excited because my friend got a cat and we are doing a baby cat shower, kitty shower, and we will have tomorrow a cat reveal. We're gonna have a cat reveal gift, and also I'm going to do my eyelashes extension. I feel nostalgic, you know, because it reminded me of how long I had to convince my parents to get this boy, you know, like I cannot wait to show you. Especially that it's gonna be super brat reveal party because the cat's name is Charlie. So I saw this cat and he just started basically doing this.
get lost, cause you could have had me when now you lost me. See when you got me, that's what you get.
Sphinxes need food with protein, and I think I found something. So it's green, perfect for little brat, and it's chicken, so I guess. I still need to wash my face, but how to wash one's face when one cannot wet their eyelashes? That's a good question, and I'm coming with the answer, like they save lives. I need to take the towel. They can laugh, but my cringe is gonna pay their retirement home one day. First one, like first, it's always oil. It looks so bad. So today is the D-Day. We're getting ready. Lacy black shirt with a little V, and my cat, he's gonna be on MTV. Mwah. I don't really have that many brat kind of clothes, but like obviously we have to start with the black shorts, so go under the skirt. Wait, we need a skirt, we need a skirt. I'm late obviously because I don't have understanding of time. For me, time doesn't exist.
Look, a clock.
This is actually better than I thought. If I should add this belt or no? It's kind of brat, isn't it? Y'all, you know what? It's like crazy. Oh my god, it looks so strange. Like, I'm not sure if I like it actually, like from this side. But you know what? It's crazy. It's people ask me, oh my god, why are you late? Like, it's so easy to leave the home. But then I'm like, I need to find something. So I was looking for the earrings. I used to have a black cat earring. So I started looking for this. And look what I freaking found. Like, so I feel like I'm gonna stick with this. I'm just gonna put it on like when we'll have the baby shower, like the cat shower, the brat cat shower party. And I don't really have time right now to clean it, so this is always how my room looks like when I leave it, because I don't have time to do anything with this.
No, I can't get enough. I'm falling in love.
So before the shower party, now I'm going to see my friend, and I don't know like what he's up to.
Mess of my life, swear I don't mind. Say that you'll stay holding me close, swear it's alright. Yeah. Baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you touch turns to gold. I know.
Hey girl! Guess what I'm listening to? Sometimes I just want to rewind. Sometimes I love that song, bro. I'm like, it's a Charlie day. It's a Charlie day.
She's so small. Hi, baby. Like, she's like the dinosaur.
Oh my god, hi Charlie. It's like brat.
Oh, it says brat, but she's giving brat.
So
That's
she's
what
like,
I named her after.
this is why you're brat rats. Oh my god, she's the cutest. Okay, I'm gonna feed her.
So cute. Look, so cute.
Oh, it's
Hi.
Hi Charlie.
Can you turn the camera?
How can you be so pretty?
Yeah,
Oh my god, oh my god.
So,
Are you alive?
No other way?
No,
If you look, yeah.
Baby, I feel the rush. Everything that you touch.
Oh, money. I want money.
Wrong direction.
Baby, I'm missing you. Everything that you do.
Judy, can you now put Anna? Can you now put Anna and okay?
Let's go back to the
No. Oh my god! Oh my god, you're literally soulmates. I can't believe she did it. Like, it's so crazy. That's so nice. Like, she left her footstep in a cake. Judy, can you please never throw the cake? Like she jumped here and it's. I think we messed up. She hates us.